BBC News. Smoking ban for people born after 2008 in the UK. Agreed. Michelle Roberts, Digital Health Editor. 21 April 2026. 5,314 comments.
Children aged 17 or younger will face a lifelong ban on buying cigarettes as the Tobacco and Vapes Bill clears Parliament. Both the Commons and Lords have settled on a final draft of the landmark legislation that aims to stop anyone born after 1 January 2009 from taking up smoking by making it illegal for shops to sell them tobacco to create a smoke-free generation. When it gets royal assent, ministers will also have new powers to regulate tobacco, vaping, and nicotine products, including their flavors and packaging. It is part of a series of measures aimed at tackling the health effects of smoking, one of the UK's leading causes of preventable death, disability, and ill health. Vaping will be banned in cars carrying children, in playgrounds and outside schools, and at hospitals, expanding smoke-free laws. Vaping would still be allowed outside hospitals in a bid to support those trying to quit. Outdoor hospitality venues like pub gardens and wider open spaces such as beaches and private outdoor spaces are not included in the plans. People will also be able to continue smoking.
And vaping in their homes. Secretary of State for Health and Social Care, Wes Streeting, called it an historic moment for the nation's health, adding, "Prevention is better than cure. This reform will save lives, ease pressure on the NHS, and build a healthier Britain." Health Minister Baroness Marin told the Lords on Monday, "It is, in fact, the biggest public health intervention in a generation, and I can assure all noble Lords it will save lives." Lord Naseby, a Conservative former MP, said the Tobacco and Vapes Bill does upset a great many people in that industry, including retailers. "What we really need is a proper understanding of how we educate people not to take up smoking," he said. Responding to Lord Naseby, Lady Marin said, "I can overall assure Lord Naseby, as I've done on a number of occasions, about how closely we have worked with retailers, and we will continue to do so." Sarah Sleet from Asthma Plus Lung UK said the legislation promised to transform the nation's health. Now that this groundbreaking bill is finally over the line, we have a chance to go further to protect public health and hold the tobacco industry to account. She urged the government to provide widespread smoking cessation support to ensure existing smokers are not left behind. Right now, we have a postcode lottery, which is why the tobacco industry should pay through a levy to reduce the harm they cause by funding these crucial services across the UK, she said. Get in touch.